Good day, ma'am. I'm here to show you the high-fidelity prototype of our system that we propose for Capeñacero. Here is our login page where you can enter your username and password. But in case you forget your password, you can change it through your email account. After you input your email, you will get a verification code in your email account. You can enter the verification code of your account here and you can enter or create your new password. And after you enter your new password, you will be directed in our homepage. And in the dashboard, there are two icons, the account and the information icon. In the account icon, you can log out and go back in our login page. You can also sign in through your Facebook account. In the About Us page, you can see the guides and what the system is all about. In the daily sales, you can enter the amount of sales you get in this day. And in the sales compilation, you can choose between the daily sales compilation or monthly sales compilation. In the summary revenue, you can see the overall expenses of your business for this month. And that's it. Thank you for listening.